In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Valorant game is not starting or crashing on startup. Now first what you want to do is you want to come here and search for Task Manager, open it up and head over to Details, click on Name to sort by the name and then press V. Then you want to look for any Valorant stuff and then you want to enter task. Now you don't have to close down the Vanguard, but you have to close down Valorant. After that press R, then close down your Riot client. Once you've made sure that all of that is closed down, what you want to do is search for Valorant, right click and open file location, and then you want to do it again. Then you should head over to the Riot client folder. You should find Riot client services, right click, properties, compatibility, and activate these two. After you made sure Riot client is that, you want to head back to Riot games, open up Valorant, live, shooter game, binaries, Windows 64, or Windows 32 if you have that one. And then you want to find Valorant, Windows 64, Windows 32, shipping.exe. You want to right click on it, properties, compatibility, and then do the exact same on this one. After you've done that, what I suggest you do is you come here and search for services, open it up, press anywhere and press V, find VGC, open it and make sure it's on automatic and it says running. If it says stopped, you want to press start, apply and OK. Now the last step that you can do is you want to make sure that you have the latest graphics card driver. So come here and search for device manager, click on display adapters and you can see the name of my GPU right here. So put the name of your GPU into Google and type in software, and in this case it will be the NVIDIA one, so you just want to download the software to that one. After you've done all of this, it should hopefully work. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.